It's my toothbrush, and for today's video, I'm gonna be making a mud cake / pancake. So like a mud cake in the microwave, but it's a pancake. So yeah, with other ado, let's get on with the video. For today's video, you're gonna need butter, sugar, milk, flour, and baking powder. Not baking soda, baking powder. Okay? Then now, they didn't really give me like 2 or 3 cups or anything. So I'm just going to do 3 like plastic spoons. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now you're gonna have to melt it in the microwave for about like 10 or 5 seconds. Hey guys, my phone fell over. Okay, now gotta have to melt the butter. After it's melted, which mine is, you're gonna need to add the sugar. Okay, then now after you add the sugar, you need to add the milk. What happened? My phone keeps falling over. Wow, my phone keeps falling over. Well, now it's time to add the milk. Some milk. Okay, now I've added some milk. After I add the milk, you're going to have to mix it, which I put my spoon right here, so now I'm going to mix it. Okay, now what you guys are going to need to do is, like I said, you guys, now you need to add the flour. Here's my flour. Now I'm gonna add some. Adding the flour. Okay, now guys, what I'm doing now is adding some flour. That should probably be enough. And after you add the flour, you're gonna need to mix it. Before you mix it with the flour, you're going to need to put a little bit of baking powder in. Baking powder, baking powder. Okay, and now you mix it. After you mixed everything together, now you want to put it in the microwave for exactly 1 minute. Okay, so now it should be done after this. So I put butter, then I put shaving cream, and then I put syrup. But you can add whatever you want. If you guys like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. See y'all next time. Peace out. Bye.